In pre-market, Tupperware is up once again. Yesterday it closed at $4.27. Today it is gapping higher in pre-market at $5.21. So how does this happen to a stock, to a business that is on the downcline, that is in the process of going out of business? Let's get into this article from Yahoo Finance by way of Fortune. Tupperware has become a meme stock, gaining over 300% in the past month. So shares of Tupperware has rallied in the last 7 days, with shares gaining more than 300% in the past month and more than doubling in the past 5 days alone. In April, they faced substantial liquidity problems, and there's substantial doubt about its ability to continue as a growing concern, they stated. Company faced a possible delisting at one point in 2023, failing to file its annual report. Typically, when you fail to file your annual report or quarterly, that is not good news. It said it hoped to do so by the end of May, but failed to meet that deadline. Company now says it will file the annual report by the end of August, and has pushed its most recent quarterly report to late September, but noted that there can be no assurance that either the Form 10-K or the Form 10-Q will be filed by such date. Sales have been declining at Tupperware for years as competition plastic storage containers business has increased dramatically, with competitors offering products at substantially lower prices. This is pretty much a commodity. There's nothing that differentiates Tupperware's products from mom and pop shop Joe Tupperware. Tupperware says it is working to improve its capital structure and near-term liquidity, and has brought on advisors to help it look for investors or potential partners. It's also reviewing its real estate portfolio for potential cash injection. All right, so this has Wall Street bets written all over it. So when I go to apewisdom.io, it looks at stocks trending on Reddit, and we can see that listed at number 16, up 20 positions, is Tupperware. In the last 24 hours, it's been mentioned 41%. We can see that the trend has been skyrocketing higher. Now, to me, this says short at some point, right? But you got to be careful, because we've seen what happened with GameStop, Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC. All right, so big picture, you have support, which is now resistance at the $12.50 level. You have this most recent pivot low at $5.21, which is where it would open pre-market. Okay, so let's go down to the weekly chart, and let's do this. We'll put another band. So this will be interesting. It's going to open right in this support resistance band at 550. So it's going to need additional volume to push through. At this rate, it will push through. All right, let's go down to the daily chart. If it can push through this band at 550, you have a gap fill, which occurred on earnings at $7.70. Now, what's interesting is that you have price now above the 200-day moving average, which should serve as support. You can't short this yet, as the Wall Street Bets crew is winning. Just in late July, price was at $4.90. Today we're talking $4.27. So if you got in early, take some off the table. At least your initial cost, your initial investment. If you're trying to get in now, tough call. Got resistance at 550. You got a gap fill at 770. Look for the next opportunity where you can kind of get in as prices settle before the volatility kicks in. You can scroll through apewisdom.ai. You can see Palantir, SoFi, which shot up on earnings results. Tilray, which I just did a video on Tilray. AMC, they're riding high on Barbie, Oppenheimer. Kavana, we already know how Kavana did. Can't get in now. That was a great, mean rally. Neo, you can get in Neo, still early. Don't know anything about Robinhood. It's dead stock. Newegg, did a video on Newegg. So there are other companies that have not spiked, like Tupperware, that you can potentially get in for a move higher. Again, if the Wall Street bets can take on the smart money. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.